Hello viewers, and today I have for you a purchase from Aliexpress, not eBay. And this is a commemorative souvenir gift silver plated coin. And I'm going to leave it as a surprise as we open it. If I can get it open. This is a 1966 commemoration of Space Ghost. So I saw this on Aliexpress and I thought, why not? For only a couple dollars here, for $2. Why not? So I took it out of the case here. It says 1966 Collector's Token and Fine Silver. Well, I doubt there's much silver in there at all. Maybe just silver plated. This picture Space Ghost. And on the reverse it has the Space Ghost logo. So I thought I'd get one of these since I've been a fan of Space Ghost since I was a child, so why not? Probably not very valuable at all. In fact, I doubt I could find a value anywhere for it. It's not minted by any government or any political entity, but kind of nice nonetheless. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.
Greetings, I'm Space Ghost. I got a real hot one for you.
That's not exactly what I'm...